how to set up a 4.5 BTC box for this job. The OD of 5.630 and the ID is 3.882. Right now the drawing of the threading, they go in Z 4.8, 8 and 5, and the bevel of 5.4, 5.14. Right now you can check in program. Okay. You can put the mouse here, zoom out, and put right here. And you look on the corner here, you see a dimension. X value is 4.21 and Z minus 4.962, and the right on dimension. You have to check the Z minus 4.960 in here. The 4.88 and 4 and 5 inches. That's good. And zoom out. You see here the bevel. You put the mouse right here, and you see right here, and you see the dimension on the corner here, 5.040, because like 30th of the face. Is that the one? Is the right one? If the right one is the 5.14 bevel. That means that this program is good to go. Save to run, and you check here. The tool they go out. See, come here, they go out, the save. This is the X0 right here. Okay, the OD, the tool go out. Okay, good. And ID, the tool look good. That means this program is safe to set up. But like you have to make sure the drawing is at the right number. Okay, very important. Okay, then now you check the program good. Then now you can send to the machine and set up the tool and run it. Thank you. If you like this video, please press subscribe. Thank you.